Yeah, but why?
Why what?
Why grow a vegetable garden on that postage stamp of a lot when you've literally got a grocery store a block away?
Fair enough. Fair enough. I guess I do it to reconnect.
Reconnect to what?
For more than 10,000 years, mankind's been farming. Probably a lot longer than that. And even in 1900, here in the United States alone, 40% of people claim to be residents of a farm. By the time 1990 rolled around, that was down to 1.9%. So insignificant that they discontinued the farm resident survey altogether. And even though the suburbs offer me advantages for my career, my family, that I'm not soon to leave, I don't want to lose that connection to the past. I just don't. That sense of independence that comes with knowing how to grow your own food, the joy of growing something, producing something instead of just constant consumption. Nah, for me, it's not a mission to save the world, and it certainly isn't a science experiment. It's about wanting to reroot myself and my family in a nature that we've become way too distant from, to claw back from these barren, backfilled lots, some small sense of wonder again, some connection to nature, and to honor the memory of those who've come before us.
All right, but you got limited space, and I mean really limited space. When you're busy, you get up early for work, you stay late at the office, you're traveling a lot. I don't know when you're going to find the time.
Well, it's time to stop watching hours and hours and hours of video looking for that perfect method that's going to guarantee success. We learn by doing. It's time to stop making excuses. God made seeds perfectly. They want to grow. It's our job to give them that chance. Now, if you don't mind, it's been a long year. I'm looking forward to getting my vegetable garden started.
From your grace when you tried to give me sight. Now I pray the grace you give. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind. May I pass through the night with an untroubled mind.